Okay, this is part 3 of video 1, and this is another step of getting our model ready so we can work into it in Peppercore. And I have Blender. It's important that you get Blender 2.69 because it's the newest version of Blender, at least at this moment that this video is being made, and it has easier features to work with. The older Blender, sorry, since I'm Blender, the older version of Blender is a little more difficult to work with. This version is a lot easier. It's a cool program. I highly suggest you donate them a little money or something because it's cool that they offer this program for free. So, enough said. Blender is pretty simple to use for our purposes. If you left click, you can move the object like this one I have. You can right click it. It's a couple other tools. I'm just explaining to you how to use Blender. I'm assuming you know absolutely nothing about it. So here is this 3D cube, and it's basically a building block for you to make whatever you want to with it. So you can come down here on the side menu, and let's see, what is the tool I'm looking for? I'm looking for the knife tool. So I need to highlight the model, then go to edit mode. Once it's in edit mode, I should be able to use the knife tool. Okay, so here I'm showing you how to use the knife tool. I'm just trying to, I'm going to get into the armor stuff as quick as I can, but I just want to show you how to use Blender for the purposes of what we're doing so that you can get up and running quick as you can and not spend and waste a lot of time trying to learn Blender. So say that we want to turn this into something we need to work with, and we want to cut some more polygons in here. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to use a knife tool. So we're going to click right here. Wait, yeah, with a knife tool. There we go. Here to here, and then we can do enter. Okay, we're gonna go here to here, and then we're gonna go here. Let's see, here to here. Then we're going here to here. Then we can go here to there, there to here, here to here. Now when you are through putting the different breaks in your model that you want to do, you simply press enter, and this is what it'll do. So it'll actually cut this part into your model, which allows you to edit. Basically what this tool is designed to do is when you have parts of the mesh, which we want to go over later, and you're trying to re-edit it, you want to say, well, I think that this line should be cleaner. If I put the knife tool and I go from here to here to here, then you can do it with the knife tool. It's just basically a way that you use Blender to make the different segments of your 3D model. See, so like if I went to here to here to here, it's just like that. here to here. Now, once I have that in, then I can start to manipulate the model into different things that I want. So let's see here. Say that it's a piece of the armor that you wanna construct or you wanna change, then you use this tool with Blender. And the way you edit it is simple. You just scroll by pressing the center button, or the scroll button in, and then you can move it all around on this 3D axis. If you want to edit it, this part, you would just left click it. That will highlight it. And once that's been highlighted, you simply just hold the left button, and then you can pull the segments out. Now once you do that, once you get out how you want it, you can just do right click. And like, say for instance you wanted to make something, then you would just simply go to your knife tool, and then you would say, I want to carve something into here. So I go like this, like this, like this, and like this. Then I come here. I want to go right here. Then I go enter. Then I go knife tool again. Here, here, here. Enter. I think I'll still gotta do knife tool again. Here, here, here. Knife tool again. Here, here. Okay. And this is just a basic building block. It allows you to manipulate your model, make it into something, whatever you want. So let's see. I'm just doing a quick doodle here, just to doodle in a little bit, just to kind of show you how Blender works. Just to give you just a little basic idea of it. Let me scroll in just a little bit, and I'm just making triangles because this is how it's mostly done. Mostly all of your models are just triangles that are built together to make a shape. So if you look at it and play around with it, you know, you can show you how to make objects. Once you have the object made, you can go to sculpt mode. You can round it. Let's see. But so you can see that it's sculpting it, making it a little rounder. Okay, the other part of feature of Blender that we're going to use is the 3D edit. Now, if it's a piece of the model that I want to get rid of, then we're going to simply left click it to highlight it. See this piece here I want to get rid of, and then I can go X on my keyboard, which is a shortcut, and delete it. Now say I have a hole here. Same difference. If I want to get rid of that part, I just click X again. You can click delete, but it's just a shortcut, and see it's gone. And I didn't want to take too much time with this part. I just wanted to show you exactly how to do it, so that whenever you actually start getting your 3D model in, working with it, then you're able to get, up and running, not have to figure it out. Now, to save Blender, you can go to File, and then you can go to Save. Sometimes this File button will be obscured by this, and you won't be able to find it. You just see Add on there, then you just have to simply scroll over. Or you can do Control S, which is the command for save. Let me make sure that I'm remembering it right. Yes, Control S is the command for save. So now that business is done, we're going to start working on the model. And let's get rid of this cube here. Alright, it's gone now. We're going to go to Import Wavefront OBJ. Then I'm going to Desktop, and I'm going to find the folder I'm looking for. I want to look for